Have you ever wondered what distinguishes those who achieve greatness in this world, who make a name for themselves, from those who remain unsuccessful, unable to reach their potential? According to a study, in our world, 90% of wealth is concentrated in the hands of just 10% of the population. So what sets these 10% apart? If you wish to understand, let's explore it through the lens of Stoic philosophy. Is it the difficulty of achieving something significant in this world, or is it the challenge of thinking big that sets them apart? Stoicism teaches us that it's not the achievement that's challenging, it's the mindset that's the true challenge. It demands courage. You need the courage to think big. As the Stoic philosophers would say, it's all about our judgments. They remind us that we can control our judgments, and therein lies the power. Someone once wisely noted, "We can achieve anything we can conceive, and we can conceive things we've never thought of before." Behind every remarkable accomplishment, just as the Stoics would say, there's a guiding principle, an inner virtue. Everyone may dream of working for a significant company, of building a vast empire. However, few truly aspire to build such an empire. This is where Stoicism intertwines with our narrative. Some might say, what good is mere thinking? But according to Stoicism, the path to success commences with our thoughts. Every endeavor, every empire begins with a thought, a decision. If you don't contemplate, if you don't exercise your prohairesis, the Stoic concept of moral choice, then nothing will transpire. If you think and determine to act, then nature itself will assist you. It's the Stoic concept of amor fati, loving your fate, accepting it, and finding opportunities within it. Before embarking on any noble pursuit, the Stoics would advise you to first shape noble thoughts. Before embarking on something grand, you must think grand thoughts. If you're content with leading an average life, doing an average job, you align with the 90% of individuals in the world who will work tirelessly for the remaining 10%. They'll toil on the ground rather than soaring high because their thoughts, just like Stoic principles would suggest, limit them. Their mental framework becomes a chain, keeping them grounded in life's routine. In the words of Seneca, luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. Rumi's wisdom resonates with Stoic thought. God has given you wings, but you crawl because you don't know your strength. In this world, millions are born each day, millions pass away. Yet, history remembers those who tore through the veil of the ordinary and reached for the extraordinary. It remembers the dreamers, the sages and Stoics who dared to think big and brought their dreams to life. The world only reserves its memory for those who detach from the crowd. Remember, thinking big is what shapes your purpose, and that purpose leads to your achievement. In this world, making something significant is not difficult. It's thinking big that's challenging. Stoicism teaches us that our judgments about an event are what truly matter. In this world, 90% of people say they don't wish to dream beyond their capacity, to stretch beyond their comfort zone. In this world, Stoicism reminds us 5% to 7% are those who dream so audaciously that their dreams redefine their destiny. The larger your thoughts, echoing Stoic principles, the grander your achievements. People may often say that they're willing to think big, but find themselves lacking the means. To them, I want to say this: you might not yet know your mind. You may underestimate your mental strength. When you give your mind a noble thought and you trust it with unwavering conviction, your mind becomes a loyal servant that carves its path. Stoicism is about understanding what's within your control, and with a clear purpose, your mind will pave its way. Remember, you need a firm resolve for your success, much like a Stoic's unwavering commitment to virtue. Trust yourself and your journey, and always remember to learn something new each day, to think afresh.